Ever wonder what a billionaire's day looks like in 2025? Let me show you what life is like when you've got more money than time. Wake up, not to an alarm, but to sunlight filtered through smart glass walls in a $150 million eco-mansion. Breakfast? It's not cereal. It's flown in, literally, by a drone from a Michelin-starred chef on another continent. Their car? Not even a car. It's a fully autonomous electric hyperpod that glides on magnetized highways, smooth, silent, and faster than your Wi-Fi. Business meetings held in the metaverse. Avatars in designer suits, sipping virtual champagne, closing real million-dollar deals. Need to travel? Private jets are old news. Think personal air taxis and orbital space hops. Yep, weekend brunch on the moon is now a thing. Leisure? One billionaire created a private underwater gallery just to meditate with the fish. Another built a floating city in international waters. And philanthropy? It's next level. Some fund climate tech that literally pulls carbon from the air. Others are building cities from scratch, with zero poverty and full AI governance. It's not just wealth, it's influence, imagination, and access to a future the rest of us only read about. But here's the kicker. Many of them say the real luxury is time. The freedom to do absolutely nothing or everything. So is this your dream life or just a wild sci-fi movie with $1 billion budget? Either way, welcome to the billionaire lifestyle of 2025. And hey, dream big, because someone's got to live like this. Why not you?